BrightlinkAV.com, we have a new screen size calculator. So if you go to BrightlinkAV.com, select on screen size calculator from the navigation, it'll bring you to this page. You'll scroll down to the LED display calculator. This helps you calculate the optimal pixel pitch for your screen dimension and viewing distance. So you'd go in here and put your average viewing distance, say it's 20 feet. You pick a home theater, that would be 0.9 millimeter optimal pixel pitch. Retail space, we would suggest a 2.5. Conference rooms, 2.5. Now, if you change the distance to say 10 feet, we'd recommend a 1.56 millimeter pixel pitch for your conference room. So this will just help you narrow down what's the optimal pixel pitch for your viewing distance and the type of application you will be putting your LED wall in. Down to the screen size calculator, this helps you determine the aspect ratio and size of your screen. So the typical aspect ratio for common video feeds, movies, media is a 16:9. Now we have a few different sizes of 16:9 here, different pixel pitch, pixel width and height. So if you're going to go for a 4K screen and you know your width is about 25 feet, then you're going to need a height of 14 feet and your diagonal is going to be about 344 inches. If we went to say 21:9, that's a different aspect ratio. You can say put your width at 15 feet. Then your height is going to be 6.4 feet and your diagonal is going to be 195 inches. Now we can go to custom aspect ratios. If you say wanted a 32:9 screen, basically double of a 16:9 aspect ratio, you knew your width was in meters was going to be about 6 meters. That would mean that you would need a 1.7 meter high or a 5.58 feet high wall, and that's going to get you approximately 244 inches diagonal. So this will give you your recommended sizes based on your diagonal and your width and height. Down here is just some common packages for the size you want. And if you keep going down here, we have a complete guide. We have the science behind the LED displays, understanding the pixel pitch viewing acuity, some information on the technology we use. As well, there's a downloadable guide. You can download this guide, which is something you can bring with you to job sites or help you quickly estimate your pixel pitch viewing distance, optimal pixel pitch. So if you go down here, it shows distance determined by pixel pitch, the average pixel pitch per distance, 6 feet, 20 feet, 35 feet. It gives you some average pixel pitches for those sizes of applications we talked about, and a few other key information. We have a really quick cheat chart here that helps you figure out the pixel pitch on the minimum, the optimum, and the maximum viewing distance.